In this video, I will explain what Forex is and how it works. Forex is an abbreviation of foreign exchange, which means the exchange of foreign currencies from various countries. Forex is a global market where traders buy and sell currencies with the aim of making a profit. The way Forex works is by trading currency pairs, such as euro per US dollar or US dollar per Japanese yen. The currency on the left is called the base currency, and the one on the right is called the quote currency. The exchange rate between the two currencies shows how much of the quote currency is needed to buy 1 unit of the base currency. For example, if euro per US dollar is 1.20, it means you have to pay 1.20 US dollars to buy 1 euro. To trade Forex, you need a Forex broker that can connect you to the Forex market. A Forex broker is a company or individual that provides trading platforms, accounts, and other services for traders. You can choose a reliable Forex broker, such as InstaForex, eToro, or Capital.com. After you have an account with a Forex broker, you can make a deposit and start trading. You can choose the currency pair you want to trade and decide whether you want to buy or sell. Buy means you buy the base currency and sell the quote currency, and sell means the opposite. You can take advantage of the price movements up or down. One of the important terms in Forex is pip. Pip is the smallest unit of change in the exchange rate of a currency pair. Usually pip is the 4th decimal place behind the comma, except for currency pairs that involve the Japanese yen, which use the 2nd decimal place. For example, if euro per US dollar changes from 1.200 to 1.205, it means there is a change of 5 pips. Forex trading has some advantages, such as the market that is open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, high liquidity, leverage that can increase the potential profit, and variety of currency pairs that can be chosen. However, Forex trading also has risks, such as unpredictable price fluctuations, leverage that can increase the potential loss, and transaction costs that can reduce the profit. Therefore, you need to learn Forex trading well before entering the market. You can learn from various sources, such as books, articles, videos, webinars, or online courses. You can also create a demo account to practice trading without using real money. In addition, you can use a nano account to trade with small capital. Some tips for successful Forex trading are: choose a reliable Forex broker, trade calmly and carefully, use stop loss to limit losses, be careful with high leverage, be patient and do not force profits, and use the right trading platform. That is my explanation of what Forex is and how it works. I hope it is useful and adds to your insight. If you like this video, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you, and see you in the next video.